A very good morning to all. Welcome to my online class. Today I will start a new chapter from your computer, chapter 4, which is MS Word 2010 or Microsoft Word 2010. So let's start the chapter. First topic, characteristic of Microsoft Word 2010. So characteristic means the features of Microsoft Word 2010. So first of all, Microsoft Word is a word processor that helps you to create documents with professional look. It provides features to type and modify the text. It also enhances the appearance of the text and gives an option to preview the document before printing it. So Microsoft Word, we can type or give some extra design or look for the document you have typed in the MS Word. Okay, so before typing or before printing, we can overview or preview this document that we have written, whether it is looking good or not. Okay, then these are the points you have to remember. What are the features or characteristics? First one is word art, clip art, movie clip or sound can also be inserted. That means you can insert some word art, clip art, movie clip or sound can also be inserted. So that means if you type any information or any document in MS Word, then in this document you can insert some word art, some style of letters. Okay, clip art, movie clip or sound, etc. You can give some audio in this document. Then number 2, it also enables us to put information in a tabular form. So we can put any information in tabular, as like if you have to make a chart or a mark sheet of your exam, then you can put it in a tabular form. Then it enables us to link and embed the object within a document. So we have to if you have to link some document, link means we have to join one document with another. For example, Aadhaar card and PAN card, you have to join or you have to link, then you can do in the MS Word 2010. Then it helps us to check spelling and grammar in the document. If you have written a spelling mistake or wrong spelling, then there is a red mark below the word that you have written wrongly. Okay, then for by this way we can check whether it is correct or not. If it is wrong, then there is a red mark in the word. Then it enables last one, it enables us to edit and format text. We can edit or format means delete the text you have written. Then come to the point, word art. It is we have already read about the word art can be inserted. So what is word art now? Word art is an option in MS Word which allows users to create stylish text with various special features. Stylish text means here you can see the A in different style, and word art enables us to write this A or any letter in different style. Okay, now come to the next page. Next page. Following are the steps to insert word art. So how to insert word art? That means how to apply word art. First one, click the insert tab on the ribbon. Insert tab, where is the insert tab? So you can see in this position the insert tab. Then from this tab you can click on the word art from the text group. Insert, then go to the text group, then go to the word art. Okay, you will see the word art gallery on the screen. Gallery means you can see the various style of the letters. Then if what you have selected or what you choose, then select your style of choice. Okay, then word art text is inserted in your document. When you select the word art style, then this will be inserted. Okay, very simple. First of all, go to the insert, then go to the text group, then word art and select. Okay, understand? So word art is a stylish letters in a document. Then clip art. So what is clip art? You must have seen many pictures in a document. You can insert picture of your choice at the required place in MS Word. MS Word itself contains a ready-made picture gallery known as clipart or ready-made picture galleries are there in a word art document. For example, you can see these are the ready-made picture art. So these pictures are called clipart, ready-made pictures. Okay, so this is clipart. So for following are the steps. Step 1, click the insert tab on the ribbon. So if you have to insert something, you can have to add something, then go to first insert tab, then clipart from the illustration group. Okay, clipart is in the illustration group. Then type the name of clip you want to search box. So if you have not finding the picture you have to choose, then you can search in the search box, or if you have to see the picture, then just select the clipart which you have, which is your choice. Then select any picture of your choice and click on it. Okay, this is very simple. Go to the insert tab, then illustration group, and then clipart. Then from this clipart you select the pictures for your choice. Okay, next page. So by this 3 steps, 3 and 4 step, you can insert clipart, or you can insert some ready-made pictures in your document. Then inserting pictures. Now pictures or some photos. So for this inserting picture, you have to first go to insert tab. Okay, then go to the picture from illustration group, then you will see the insert picture. Here the steps: insert picture from the design location. Click on the insert button. So first of all we have to go insert tab, then illustration group, then picture, and from this insert picture dialog box your screen. So from picture you can select your picture and then click on the insert picture, then the picture will be inserted. These three are almost similar. Okay, then first of all of you have to go in insert tab, then you have to go illustration and then picture. Okay, then insert picture and the picture will be inserted. Okay, understand? Next, inserting shape. This is also similar. So we have to just insert shape. Okay, in this we have inserting picture, then here we have to insert shape. There are some ready-made shapes. So from these shapes we have to insert just. Then the first one is click on the insert tab on the ribbon, then go to the illustration group. So come to the next page. Okay, so step 2, click on the shape from the illustration group. This is similar. Then click on the required shape, the shape you have required, or then select on this and draw it on the document. When you draw the shape, a new format tab automatically appears, displaying drawing tools to format the shape you have drawn. Okay, you can select the shape. So these are the shapes you have to select. Okay, after that you have to right click the mouse, and so you have to drag the mouse. Drag means you have to move the mouse. So if you have to draw large, then you have to drag more. If you have to draw small, then if you have to drag some little. Okay, then these are the pictures you have inserted. Here circle is selected, so from this circle you have drawn here or drag here, then circle will be inserted. Okay, so these are the color of the circle you can give. So this is the blue color. Then changing the color of shape. If you have to change the color that you have inserted in the picture, then what we have to do, first one, double click on the shape to select the figure. So click on this, double click, then the format tab opens. So when you double click, then some different menus will appear, and from this we will have to select the format tab. Then from this format tab, click on the shape fill, and shape fill means shape we will fill the shape with different color. So from this shape fill, select the desired color from the list. So this is the list, and we have to select different select the particular color you have to select it, then thus the figure is filled with color. Okay, so this is the process, changing color. Okay, so inserting shape, then after we have to change the color, then we follow this 3 step. Okay, now in the page number 41, shadow effect. Shadow means you have seen maybe in some documents or in some posters there are some words as like the shadow of this letter. Okay, so how to give shadow effect? So first one, double click on the tab shape to select the figure. So if you have to select any file, folder, shape, so we have to double click the shape. Okay, then click on the shape effect from the shape style group. So these are the steps. So you have to select the shape style group and then shape effect. Then you will see a pop up window. Then step 3, select shadow effect. So from the to give shadow effect, we have to first give the go to the shape style group. Okay, then go to the shape effect and then shadow effect. Okay, so shape effect, the shadow effect will involve in the shape effect. Okay, then inserting symbol. This is very simple. So inserting means we have to just go to the insert tab. Okay, then from this inserting symbol, see the following images given below. So these are the symbols you have see in your maths book. Rupees symbol is there. So these are the symbols we have to insert. Then we have to go some first insert tab, then symbol, then we have to select this symbol what we have to need. Then following are the steps to add symbol. So first step, click on the insert tab on the ribbon, click symbol from the symbol group, then select the symbols that is required. Thus the symbol is inserted at the position of the cursor. Cursor means is when we click the mouse in the screen. So there is some structure like this, and these are called the cursor. And if you put the mouse or cursor in this position, then the symbol will insert, and we have to right click and paste or insert. Then we have to insert the symbol. So the required symbol will be inserted. Okay, so it's your today's class. I have hope all of you have understood clearly. Follow the steps to insert these symbols, shape, etc. Read the chapter